Yes. Hello, how can I help you? Please give me a prescription. Just a second, I will check for these medicines. Sodium toxemia. So here are your medicines. Pantop, Pharmaclear, and Oxiva. You have a Revolizer. Okay, you want one? Okay. You want a Rotaheller? Okay. Just a second. Yes, you have to use this capsule with the Rotaheller. You know how to use it? Do you want me to show you? Okay. I'll open the box. So it has two parts. You have to put the medicine over here, the capsule over here, and then lock it and then twist. Okay, when you twist, the capsule will break in two pieces and the powder will be collected here, and then you have to put it in your mouth and suck it. Okay. Yes. The powder should be stuck in your throat. You shouldn't swallow it, it should stick in your throat. Over here in the back portion. Okay. Let's try. So, you got these medicines for yourself. May I know what kind of health problems you have? Okay. Bronchitis. Okay. Don't worry, even I am suffering from that. It's okay, it will get better very soon. Just need to make sure to avoid dust areas, avoid smoking, deodorants, these type of pollutants you should avoid. And make sure to meditate. Meditation has helped me a lot. It will help you as well. Yes, when you do deep breathing, your senses clear up. Your sinuses clear. And you can breathe properly. I know it hurts, initially it will be difficult, This allergic bronchitis, takes lot of time to get better, it doesn't get cured quickly. And nowadays, due to this pandemic and all, people are even more, nervous, to cough and all. But you don't need to worry. This is a very curable disease, You just need to be careful when you are going out, Make sure to avoid pollutants, smoking, dust, pollution, and do meditation. Yes. I'll tell you when you have to take which medicine. So this Doxiva you have to take one in morning, one at night after dinner, after meal. Then this Foracort you have to take in the morning and at night after meal. One more clear, same morning and night after meal. And Pantom D, this one is for acidity. This Pantom DSR is for acidity, so you have to take it before meal. Okay, whenever you have these medicines you have to take for 5 days. Okay, doctor has recommended for 5 days and Foracort for 7 days. You will remember now. Pantom D before meal is for acidity, and other two you have to take after meal. And Foracort also after meal. Once you have taken the Foracort, make sure to not drink or eat anything. The powder should stick in your throat for some time. Let it heal, and afterwards you have to do it. At least half an hour rest. Means half an hour don't eat anything, don't drink anything. In order for the medicine to work, it should stick to your throat for some time. Means it is going to feel a little bit bitter, but it's very effective. I will prepare your bill. Can you tell me your phone number? Okay. Here's your bill. Okay. I will give you the change. Yeah. We even provide home delivery service. If you give us your address, we can give you this medicine in your home. This is 24/7. So at night also, if you need any service, if you urgently need medicine, someone from our shop can come and give you the medicine. Okay. Can you tell your address? Okay. Flat number? And pin code? Is your address correct? Okay. If you need any kind of help, please feel free to call us. The number is in the bill. Okay. Yes, and don't worry about these things, Just relax your mind, People get better. People fall sick. People get better. You will get better in no time, Initially it will be difficult, but you will get better very quickly. So, want anything else as well? Chocolate. Just a second. Which one you want? Yes, you can eat chocolate, but not that much. Okay. During this time, at least don't eat cold food. Don't immediately eat it from fridge, okay? Because you will catch cold again and then you will cough a lot more. Yes. Yes, and don't eat oily food. That will also hurt your throat. And gargle twice a day. Sure. Okay. Anything else you want? Okay, sure. If you need any help, you can come to our shop. It's open 24/7, and also our home delivery service is also available 24/7. If you urgently need anything, we'll come over there. The address is with us. Okay, sure. Take care. Okay, everything's going to be alright. Please check out my store. The link is in the description.